Hola a todos, bienvenidos, ¿cómo estáis? Estoy muy bien. Dear viewers, I'm Muhammad Abdurazak. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to say the days of the week in Spanish language. So dear viewers, this is gonna be very interesting video today because you are gonna learn how to say the days of the Spanish language. So dear viewers, let's get started. Dear viewers, I have already written a caption that siete días de la semana. Siete días de la semana. That means 7 days of the week. Siete means 7. Días means days. De means of. La is an article the, and semana means week. Semana, week. So siete días de la semana, 7 days of the week. Dear viewers, normally in Spain, a week started from Monday. Some countries a week started from Sunday, some countries Saturday. In Spain, a week started from Monday. So I'll show you one by one, and it will be very easy for you if you watch this video with your attentive mind. So dear viewers, first is lunes. Lunes means Monday. The spelling of lunes is L-U-N-A-S. Lunes, very easy to pronounce. Lunes, Monday. Then martes. Martes means Tuesday. Miércoles. Miércoles means Wednesday. Here, miércoles, this symbol name is tilde, and whenever you see a tilde over a letter, you have to give accent. That means it will be long intonation. So, miércoles. Miércoles means Wednesday. Then, jueves. Why it is jueves? Because this letter name is J and it will be pronounced like K. In English it is J, but in Spanish it is J. This letter name is J and it will be pronounced like K. So it is jueves. This letter name is Ube and it will be pronounced like Bo. There is no Bo sound in Spanish language. So it is jueves. It will be pronounced like Bo. Jueves, not jueves. Jueves means Thursday. Then viernes, not viernes. Viernes means Friday. Then sábado means Saturday. Why it is sábado? Why not sábado? Because there is a tilde here, so you have to give accent of the letter a. Sábado, not sábado. Sábado means Saturday. It will be long intonation. Then domingo means Sunday. So dear viewers, now I am repeating from the first. Lunes means Monday. Martes means Tuesday. Miércoles means Wednesday. Jueves, Thursday. Viernes, Friday. Sábado, Saturday. Domingo means Sunday. So dear viewers, it is very interesting and very easy to pronounce how to say the days of the week of Spanish language. Dear viewers, now I am repeating for second times. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. So dear viewers, if you have watched my video with your attentive mind, I strongly believe that all of you will be able to know how to say the days of the week of a Spanish language. Dear viewers, if you think that you are benefited by watching my video, please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share the video with your friends so that they can get opportunity to watch this video. And if you wanna know anything, please make a comments below, and if I do any mistake, please make a comments below. Number today, with best regards to you and to our parents, I'll be back soon with another episode. So stay well, keep learning. Hasta pronto, adios.